Hello there, welcome to this video. In this tutorial I will show you how you can add GIF image to your Shopify store. So we will collect the GIF image from gp.com. I will give this link in description. So first we are going to our admin panel, and here product. Now select your product. Now now I am converting this in HTML format. And now we are going to gp.com, and here you can choose any of GIF image from here. Just I am going to choose this, click on that. I'm going to click on this. So the code will be embed code will be copy from here. Just click on that. Now let's go our store and paste it, and now click on save button. Now let's check our product page. It's not showing, maybe it's browser cache issue. Let's check one more time. Yes, now it's showing. So this is the way to add GIF image in your Shopify store. You can collect the GIF image from gp.com. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.